Hello guys, welcome back on the AMG 2016 model, the AC. It has been a very tough challenge for me with this very car here, and I have been for more than like 4 days now. I've been working on this very car, correcting different mess that have been performing in the system, because when I got the compressor done, the system started throwing out some other problems, so I have to address it. I don't give you the money. So right now I'm almost getting done. Look at the pressure, everything seems to be just okay. However, I was getting some, wow. So guys, this is like seriously mad cool. Everything about it is expensive. I only find this valve on the shop. I got it replaced with the Chinese one, and so far I wouldn't say the system is not performing good. It's performing great. And right now I'm about to shut the engine down so I can do the last tidying up everything, and that's gonna be calling the customer to come and pick it up or take it to his location. So you guys can still see my tools here. You can see how loud this car is. Seriously loud. So guys, I'll see you guys when you have a car AC problem. If it's too hard for you to mechanic to deal with it, bring it to me, so long as you're in Nigeria. Alright? Well done, sir.